welcome to LiveWorx 2016.
Browsing through a set of information and looking at the tree representation of the approved materials, and you have payments across to the product structure, and you'll see that.
Out the red and let the blue go through.
What are you doing?
So first of all, if you ever seen this phantom thing mark on the screen, and this is not being tracked yet. So I'm trying to let the camera focus on the thing mark. Here we go. Once it's tracked, it's showing this augmented digital saw overlaid on top of the physical one, right? And here it shows the steps to remove the blade from the saw. The first one is to unplug the saw. That's just a word. To do it. Where is the plug? I don't know, but if I tap to show me, it's highlighting it right there. And you know, okay, it's that one.
Yes.
Next step is to unscrew the bolt. Which bolt? Show me. It's highlighting that, and you know where to unscrew it. And the third one is remove the washer. Take that out. And retract the blade guard. Finally, it's ready to be taken off.
Okay.
So you got the whole procedure illustrated right there with augmented reality. That's just one example of the whole augmented reality.
What it brings to your customers? What
brings to our customers?
Yes.
Well, the customer, first of all, from the end user, this is definitely much easier to use than reading a traditional book of manual.
Can you explain me
Sure. So
a little?
We are scanning a thing mark.
Yes.
The thing mark is an identification.
Okay.
That is telling me unique. It tells me what this thing is. So it's giving me the unique information about this item.
Okay.
What the experiences are that are related to this particular object or item. And it's also giving you the spatial location of where the experience will take place. So what I'm going to do right now for you is we're going to see we're loading in now the experience. I picked one of the experiences, and you can start to see there are some 3D sensor information. This information is actually connected to the pump itself. The pump would give us the values. The values would go through the server, and then we would actually pump them in here into this 3D environment. If you back up here, you can see there's the air filter, and what we've done is we've put together an animation. And this is giving you step-by-step instructions on how to take apart and replace this air filter. So you can see there's the filter, there's where it came from, and there's the sensors. And that's all based on
So here's the VUFORIA view.
Yes.
And this is available on the iTunes store right now. So
Okay.
you can go download
Yes.
this. So we're going to launch it. And let's see. So we have to scan the VUFORIA symbol.
Machines bring alerts that we catch, and we can map it into our service using a tagged search. So we get the right document, how to solve this problem.
We can look at.
That's sufficient in iPhone probably. You don't
See, it's scanning. The green bar is going around
Yes.
the symbol, so that means it's loaded. So now we can step back. And see, now I'm holding it. Sorry, I'm not very steady. But I can look at the device, and I can see all the sensor data overlaid on top of the pump. So that's pretty cool. But it's now you see these warnings. So I want to look at it a little more detail. So I can click on this and I can see I have 3 errors. So I can go through them now that I'm on site. And the cool thing in the demo flow that we've gone through is the technician was only dispatched to go fix 1 problem. But now he's on site and he sees that there are 3 problems. So he's like, one I knew I had to come out for, now I can go fix everything. So it reduces the effect of having to dispatch another technician. It's just like you go once, it saves a lot of money. So anyway, we can look at pump here. And so this particular solution says, okay, how do you fix the problem? It's going to show me a video overlay of what to do. So you can see down here, I have this coupling and I have this lever. So if I press play, you see there's an animation. It shows me what to do. So even if I'm an inexperienced technician, I don't have years of experience, but I can now see how to fix this problem without having to go do extra training. So it really helps bridge that gap of a senior person not having to go out and fix problems. So another advantage of this app is I can go and I can look up articles. So what is that actual problem? Oh, here's an article on that. So I can dig in more detail around that.
Okay.
Rolls-Royce has built a augmented reality experience here to help promote the sale of their engines. So we have a marker here that would traditionally be part of a brochure, as an example. And we have the application that allows you to see an augmented view of the engine here, triggered on the marker. So as we turn the marker, you can see the engine moving.
Okay.
And all these different views there. And then this particular demo allows the salesperson to show an expanded view of the engine. Oops, sorry. I'll do that again. So see it going back together. So we showed the Creo Illustrate, the ability to create these animations. And this is that type of environment in an augmented experience, right? And then these little plus markers allow the user to get some information about that particular part of the turbine, right?